What's up guys, this is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra SPIGEN Neo Hybrid case. If you are looking for a case that is elegant, not bulky, a case that will provide protection to your phone, then this is it. This is the SPIGEN Neo Hybrid case, one of the best cases with great looks. In this video I'm going to review this case and we shall see what it's all about. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. From the looks of it, the case fits easily. There is no hassle while trying to fit the phone in the case. The buttons are responsive. The case just looks great. The level of elegance is all the way up top. Bringing you closer to the camera, as you can see here, it's going to protect the phone from scratches. The back is flat and it looks great. If you lay it on the table, there will be no movement. The cutouts are wide, you can access the S Pen, you can charge your phone without any obstruction. There is a raised lip at the front screen to protect the phone from scratching while on the table. Now I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of the phone while lying flat on the table. You can see here this phone looks great. Elegant, provides both protection and it has great looks. The cutouts at the bottom of the phone is excellent. There is no obstruction. You can see the speakers. You can access the S Pen. The front has a raised lip to prevent the phone from scratching while on the table. And now we are gonna do a quick wireless checking to see if this phone can charge wirelessly. Showing you the back of the phone again. It's just elegant. It looks great. Excellent for showing off, especially if you're going on a date. Now let's put the phone on the wireless charging and see if it works. And yes, it works with wireless charging. More information will be in the description section. Check it out and let me know what you thought of this case.